Hello friend, welcome back to NH Drawing. Today we will draw letter I for ice cream. So let's start the drawing. First of all, draw letter I. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the new video notification. Now will we draw a ice cream. Draw the outline. Red color. Green color. Pink color. Sky blue color. Brown color.